Slovenia. Slovenian suppliers, especially to the automotive industry, are currently asking themselves whether and how they can satisfy and retain their customers in Germany. The traditionally fruitful cooperation is beginning to falter in the face of the major challenges that industry is currently facing. However, we don't just want to ask questions. We also want to provide, or at least think about, possible answers. I'm therefore very much delighted that we have been able to gain an expert in this field of German market. Dear Volker Leinweber, you are the Managing Director of the Economics and Foreign Trade Department of the Bavarian Industry Association and the Bavarian Metal and Electrical Industry Association. You are deeply involved in the Bavarian and German automobile and automotive sector. I thank you very much for traveling yesterday evening from Munich to Ljubljana, and welcome to beautiful Slovenia.
Tantum verde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.
Res je, dokler je gospodarka rekla, smo pred velikimi izzivi. In zdaj je čas, da evropsko gospodarstvo stopi skupaj in na nek način odgovori na te izzive, na te tako imenovane trgovinske vojne, katerih jaz osebno mislim, da ne prinašajo nič dobrega ne gospodarstvu, ne Evropi, ne prebivalstvu. Spoštovani vsi predstavniki nemškega in slovenskega gospodarstva in pa dragi gosti. Dovolite mi, da vas seveda še enkrat pozdravim na podelitvi bilateralne inovacijske nagrade nemškega gospodarstva. Nagrada, ki ne odraža samo poslovnih dosežkov, samo števil, ampak nagrada, ki odraža tudi vrednote, ki kot družba seveda neizmerno ceni. To pa so inovativnost, odgovornost do zaposlenih, in pa seveda tudi ustvarjanje na nek način spodbudnega delovnega okolja. Slovenijo in Nemčijo že dolgo povezujejo močne gospodarske, kulturne in pa tudi politične vezi. Sodelovanje med našima gospodarstvoma Slovenije in Nemčije je bilo vedno zgledno in je bilo vedno vzajemno. Nemčija, jasno, je naša največja, najpomembnejša gospodarska partnerica in je tudi zaveznik pri številnih razvojnih projektih, ki se dogajajo v tej naši državi. Zaupanje, ki smo ga gradili skozi desetletja, pa daje trdno osnovo, ki nam lahko pomaga, da skupaj premagujemo največje izzive, pred katerim smo tam vneči. Danes se soočamo seveda z novimi geostrateškimi in gospodarskimi razmerami, ki zahtevajo od nas resnično hitro prilagodljivost in pa za moje pojme res tesnejše sodelovanje, kot je bilo še doslej. Trdno verjamem, da lahko evropska gospodarstva uspešno premaga vse globalne izzive, če bomo ohranili poleg gospodarstva tudi politično zavedanje, da smo Evropejci najmočnejši takrat, kadar skupaj sodelujemo. Narediti moramo vse, da se nam ne bo narediti tiskati večkrat rečem, da Evropa postane muzejna prostor, ampak da Evropa postane oziroma ostane še naprej svetovna industrijska velesila. In prav podjetja, ki so zavezana k dobremu kadrovanju in pa predvsem vlaganju v ljudi, kot verjetno tudi današnji nagrajenec, so ključ do tega, da bo evropsko gospodarstvo postalo konkurenčno, da bo evropsko gospodarstvo postalo še bolj inovativno in da bo evropsko gospodarstvo zaradi vseh teh dejavnikov postalo še bolj močno. In moram že naprej čestitati podjetju, ki danes prejema to prestižno nagrado, in seveda želim vsem ostalim tudi veliko uspehov pri postavljanju novih standardov, predvsem pa novih praks, ki jih postavljate v našem okolju. Vaša zgodba, gospe in gospodje, je navdih za vsa podjetja, ki stremijo k trajnostnemu razvoju in pa to, kar se vsi skupaj želimo, k ustvarjanju kvalitetnejših delovnih mest. V tej priložnosti pa bi se iskreno zahvalil Slovensko-nemški gospodarski zbornici za ves trud, ki ga daje v vseh teh letih, da je to naše sodelovanje koristno. Zahvalil bi se tudi za organizacije današnjega dogodka in verjamem, da je takšno sodelovanje tudi na nek način dober temelj, da bomo še naprej ostali povezani in gospodarsko močni. Živela Slovenija in živela Nemčija. Hvala.
So after two committed and inspiring speeches, I would like to address you only briefly in order not to stand in the way of the input we are expecting from Mr. Leineweber, the rest of the program, and especially the award ceremony for too long. I'm really very happy to take advantage of the opportunity because today's award ceremony is about an exciting and extremely important topic that I know very well from my own experiences as a single mother for several years. So I was very interested to hear from my deputy, Julia Neblich, who was involved as a jury member, and would like to seize the opportunity to thank all the jury members about the many good and committed applications for this prize. You were mentioning this from Wohnstein.
To niso karte samo za malčke in njihove mamice, to so umetniške karte, ki predstavljajo oblačila, usklajevanje njihovih barv in detajlov.
Perde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.
Ladies, they told me to just break the glass. Can I do it? No, it's supposed to be easy. So, I have to do it slow because they say dramatic. Oh my God, it's nice. Is it heavy?
Yes, it is.
Ooh. And it goes up. That's good. Do you know the winner? Don't say it yet. Yeah. We have I have the one special thing. Yeah. Everybody do mine.
I don't know. I'm very excited myself. I have to say that I was inspired by all the finalists very much, really thinking about what could be implemented even in a German embassy. So that was already very, very inspiring. And now...
Don't say it.
No.
And the German Economy Award 2024-2025 goes to...
Medis.
Congratulations, Medis, for 35 years and for the award. Well deserved. Oh, I'll take it. And of course the photo is necessary. Just come closer, yeah.
To niso karte samo za malčke in njihove mamice, to so umetniške karte, ki predstavljajo oblačila, usklajevanje njihovih barv in detajlov.
To our winners, congratulations again to Medis, a Slovenian company and a long-standing member of the German chamber here in Slovenia. So congratulations to you.
How we will share it. Thank you very much. I was just thinking, being with three panelists on the stage, we can learn so much from each other. I learned today. Thank you for that. And then all of a sudden now Medis is the winner, and the award is about excellency. What my first thought was we will never be excellent at every level, but we always have to aim to improve. So I would also like to encourage everyone. It can be done. We just have to be really taking care of the people and be with the people and take care that they will develop. And we are proud of that. But thank you for this award. It's a special honor for Medis. Also for me personally, I'm at Medis for 24 years. So I was going through the whole development from the start, from the company when there was 5 people and now it's 400 of us. The transformation, there were many transformations when I look back, especially when it came to the culture, to leading people, how do you do the business. Of course, you do it much differently when there is 50 people and then onward, and we became international company.
That is exactly what I wanted to ask you. So when have you started to think about so strategically about employers' well-being, about all these, let's say, HR topics, but it's more than HR, it's how to lead a company, how to build it in a, let's say, very healthy way. So was it from the beginning on, or when did you start to realize that that is a really important and strategic topic?
That is a very difficult question. I don't know. I don't have a feeling that we decided these ones back then. There was no such decisions. It is part of us from the beginning. It was always, we always were thinking in long term, never, just grab the business, do the business, and who cares what will be next year. And if you think that way, you have to think people first, profit, and planet. You have to balance all these three things. It's impossible to be there for that many time without balance all three P's. And we never decide. I don't remember. I can't recall that we decided.
It was not a starting.
But what we decided is when we became, I think it was the milestone was 100, that we need to really implement processes to digitalize everything so that everything is transparent, but also that we implemented rules also, regarding everything, communication, how do we inform each other, who is doing what and so on. That's what we decided, yes, back then, I don't know why.
And I was especially impressed by your, start interviews, day interview, and exit interview.
Oh, yes.
Especially the exit interview. So when someone is leaving you, you are still caring. You are still asking, why are you leaving? So that was really impressive to me. As I have seen in your application, many people come back to Medis.
Now we have to implement new interview. I don't know how to come back interview. I think now in this February we got two guys back from the same company they went to for a year. Yeah, for a year and a half they are back. And I asked one girl why, and she said, I had a feeling in the other company that we are just robots. And here I know it's a community. It makes sense. We are working together and we help each other. And there it was like just do it. It's a nice slogan, but not for this.
And what is impressive to me as well is that you have competed with really big companies like BSH, like Bayer, but also with Mikro+Polo. So it depends. It does not depend on the size of the company, but it depends on the mood, on the intention, on the philosophy of the company. And I guess that is really a good, let's say, sign for small and medium-sized companies. They can compete against big companies and gain people if they are really on the track with that topic. So my last question, where will the trophy be? Will it stand in your office or where will you put it?
I forgot to mention, but it is clear that this trophy belongs to our owner as well, and to all employees, not just to him. And our CEO couldn't be here with us today, so I think that the first message now from my side, it will be to Maya, lying in the bed and showing this trophy, and it will be. I think we will put it in the place where everybody can see it. It will not be in the office. This is our award. Yeah.